Hi, so I am practicing walking and videoing because this is what everybody does on YouTube. So me being me, I'm going to see if I can do it too. And I'm here at Bowie Nature Park, and it snowed last night. Actually snowed a lot less here, I think, than at my house, which isn't that far away, but it's pretty. So I'm pretending I'm a big AT thru hiker, and I am, walking and telling you about my hike, which, isn't very interesting because I've done this hike a million times, but it is very pretty out here. So it's probably about as much of that as you can stand, but it was a good experiment. Bye, talk to you later. Trail's kind of muddy today. It's only 30 degrees, but it's sunny, so a lot of the snow is melted, I guess. It's got these nice pine needles, which help a lot with the mud, at least in some places. This is one of my favorite parts. This is this little white pine trail that comes in off of the big perimeter trail. If I'm doing the perimeter trail, which is like 4.7, something like that, I usually duck in here and get an extra couple miles coming in and coming back out. And I love it because it's like got these big pine trees. It's just a nice corridor. It's so pretty. Just a really nice park. This is Lake Anna, one of the 3 or 4, depending on what you call a lake, I guess. Little lakes that there are here at Bowie. There's really only 2 of any kind of size. The others are really ponds, not really lakes, but this is one of the slightly bigger ones. That's the trail. We won't go that way. We'll go where others have gone before us. says, I believe it's called Little Turnbull Creek that runs through Bowie. Sort of the Babbling Brook model. Very babbly. Slippery.